Okay, that's my breakfast. It's ready. So I'm about to have a delicious oatmeal. And why do we have to have breakfast? Well, one of the main reasons is because it'll help us with our brain and specifically our neurons. They need glucose and obviously they need oxygen. And no, this is not an advertisement for cereals. So have your breakfast, you guys. It can be a little bit of orange juice with a piece of fruit, whatever makes you happy, but have breakfast. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Dr. Gonzalez. Today I'm so excited because we are going to discuss the following topics. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, because in that way you already know that you will never miss a video next time when I post a new one. Well, let's get started. The cerebellum, which stands for little brain, is a structure of the central nervous system. It has an important role in the motor control. In particular, it is active in the coordination, precision, and timing of movements, as well as in motor learning. It's made up of the anterior lobes, posterior lobes, vermis. In a sagittal cut, it has these arbovirata, and it's attached by the cerebellar peduncles. The diencephalon is a small portion placed under and between the two cerebral hemispheres, located just above the brainstem. Despite being small in comparison to other parts of the brain, the diencephalon plays a critical role in relaying sensory and motor signals, as well as regulation of consciousness and alertness. This structure gives rise to the thalamus, hypothalamus, posterior portion of the pituitary gland, and the pineal gland. The thalamus is located superior to the midbrain and contains nuclei that serve as relay stations for all sensory impulses, except smell, to the cerebral cortex. The hypothalamus is a region of the diencephalon that regulates the autonomic nervous functions like emotions and behavior, food consumption, circadian rhythms, and body temperature. It also produces hormones that influence the pituitary gland and regulate the endocrine functions. The pituitary gland is an endocrine gland functionally linked to the hypothalamus. Hormones secreted by the hypothalamus activate hormone secretion by the pituitary. These hormones drive endocrine functions by targeting glands and tissues in the body. The epithalamus lies superior and posterior to the thalamus, and it contains the pineal gland, which secretes melatonin for sleeping patterns, and havenular nuclei, which are involved in olfaction. The limbic system consists of the fornix, hippocampus, cingulate gyrus, amygdala, and parts of the thalamus. It is involved in our behavioral and emotional responses, especially for survival behaviors like feeding, reproduction, and caring for our little ones, and of course, fight or flight responses. It is the reason why we have intense emotions of fear, jealousy, anger, and the freeze response, thanks to new evidence suggesting the role of freezing in response to danger. The ventricles are a communicating network of cavities filled with cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, and are located within the brain parenchyma. The ventricular system is composed of 5 spaces: 2 lateral ventricles, the third ventricle, the cerebral aqueduct, and the fourth ventricle. These structures are responsible for the production of the cerebrospinal fluid, the transportation of CSF to bathe the central nervous system with nutrients, and waste removal. And if you want to know more about this topic, click on the card on top of this video. All right, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please, please, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment your suggestions or questions, right? That is very important to me. I read you guys. I always read you, and I try to answer as fast as I can. All right, well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. So leave me in the comments. No. Is your favorite meal, and what is your favorite? I just said that. You know what? I just realized that y'all can see my feet from the reflection over here. Yes, I'm in my slippers. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to, what was it? Oh, I forgot.